3 techniques to help you wake up earlier. Waking up early is a great way to increase your discipline and become more productive. Waking up earlier isn't always easy, however. Below are 3 techniques that can help you to be able to wake up earlier. 1. Wake up at the same time every day. The first few days that you start to wake up earlier will be hard no matter what you do. But if you develop a routine and wake up at the same time every day, you will find over time that it becomes easier and easier for you to wake up early. Your body thrives on routine when it comes to sleep. It produces melatonin at a certain time that helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep when you do. If your body knows when you will go to sleep each night, this can help it to produce the right amount of melatonin and stop when it is time for you to wake up. Pretty cool, huh? 2. Put your alarm clock far from your bed. If your alarm is your phone, it can be all too easy to reach over when the alarm goes off, shut it off, and continue to get a little more shut-eye. Instead, it's time to leave your phone across the room. That way, when it does go off, you will have to get out of bed to shut it off. It would help if you also made your alarm a sound you like so that you aren't cringing and diving to shut it off the moment it goes off. 3. Plan your mornings. Everything is more fun with a plan, and it is time to do the same with your mornings. Make a plan that you are looking forward to so you don't dread getting out of bed when the alarm goes off. Your morning should include some good things for your health, like meditation and exercise. But don't be afraid to plan a nice breakfast afterward to reward yourself. Think about it this way. Getting out of bed for pancakes is a lot easier than getting out of bed to rush to work without breakfast. Be sure to write down your plan for your morning so you can see right when you wake up all the exciting things you have to look forward to. Overall, learning to wake up early isn't the easiest. Still, if you start by getting up early every day, placing your alarm clock far from your bed, and planning something fun in your morning, you'll likely find that eventually, you will be looking forward to getting up early every day.